My clients are a professional couple with a small daughter who's 5 years old. They had purchased a condo on spec, and I had been asked to help choose finishes from the very beginning. So even before there was a hole in the ground at this site, I was working on this project, which has now been over 4 years. They didn't want any darkness, no gray, no white, no black, nothing really too heavy. They wanted it to be light and happy. We really wanted to make it welcoming and have a big wow factor when you walked in. So there's a lot of really big art. It's very colorful, it's very fun, and the wall color is a soft blue, which is really super calming and very welcoming. You see the desk area, which is used for homework, for a computer station. We used a really fun, old, traditional chair, but covered it in some really beautiful, colorful fabric, which my client insisted on. She saw that fabric and she said, I need that fabric in my study. So you come off the study entrance area into the kitchen, which is really a nice bright kitchen. Although it's small, it's really well laid out. You have a big island with a sink, lots of counter space. We kept the cabinets super simple, but the real star of the show is the granite, which is a South American granite. It's white, it's gray, with the shots of red going through it. The condo is very open concept. So you have the kitchen leading into the living room and dining room area. And it becomes narrower as you go in. That was also a challenge, like how do we place furniture? And then there's this big column, which was not on the plan. So it was a bit of a surprise. We had chosen this really beautiful silk carpet and it didn't fit. So we had to cut around the column so that this beautiful handmade silk carpet that my clients had their heart set on could fit in there. But it does, and it looks great. The wallpaper is a huge statement. Instead of hanging various paintings or pictures all over the place, which could sort of chop up the room, I wanted it to be unified. So using this really cool Baldwin bamboo wallpaper from Scalamandre, it's incredible. It's such great quality, and it was designed in the 50s by one of my favorite designers, Billy Baldwin. So the master bedroom, my clients really, again, wanted something that was very soft. They said to me, we just want to float. So I said, I have just the wallpaper for you. When you're in there, it really feels like you're floating on a cloud. It's amazing. My clients really wanted things that were light, and they didn't want anything heavy at all. So no wood finishes, no black, nothing gloomy. That was the word they kept using. We don't want anything gloomy. We want it to be happy. We created a beautiful custom-made headboard out of a quilted linen and silk, plus the mirrored nightstands. Really soft, and they provide a lot of light and reflection. But I think my favorite thing in that room are the lamps. They're a beautiful crushed mother of pearl mosaic. It's really, really beautiful. She's a very sweet 5-year-old girl. And she said to me that she wanted a room that wasn't necessarily too colorful, but she loved pink. So we did variations of pink and mauve and white and cream. We really covered the room again in a beautiful wallpaper from Farrow & Ball, sort of their classic B, in a new colorway. And then we created this beautiful canopy over a day bed, which is actually a trundle bed. So there's a little mattress that comes out underneath when she has sleepover friends. She wanted this really beautiful crystal chandelier that I showed her in a picture, and she said, I want that. And then we painted all of the bulkheads, the trim, the doors, again, all in the color of the background of the wallpaper. It took a long time to get here, but in the end, every decision that we made was really the first decision from the very beginning, and they're absolutely thrilled with how it looks, which is what it's all about. It's for them and their family and what they like.